So the next technology box is how to make frequency and relative frequency tables in StatCrunch. So again, we're going to start by entering the data into a column in the spreadsheet. Again, I'm just going to use the data we previously stored. So under My Data, I'm just going to click on that Chapter 2 data file to have some data to work with. And then if we want to make a frequency table, we're going to click Stat, Tables, and then Frequency. Alright, now a pop-up window is going to open, so you need to make sure that you have your pop-up blocker turned on for this site. So most of you have your pop-up window blocker turned off because you don't want these pop-up windows. But we need that blocker turned off just for this site so that we see these. So in that pop-up window that opens, we're going to choose the variable name from select columns. So if we took car type, and then under statistics we can either choose frequency, relative frequency. Both of those are automatically chosen here, so we're just going to leave that alone. Under order by, you can use value ascending to put the categories in ABC order, or we can look at count ascending, count descending, or the order they appear in the worksheet, so whatever we want here. So I'm just going to choose value ascending for this one. Under other, this is if the percent is less than that, you can have all those combined to some other category. So a typical number that would be used here would be 10. So we could type in a 10 in here. And then we would just scroll down and click Compute.